We have entirely outgrown the era of simple, conversational AI chatbots. Today, organizations are deploying highly autonomous business agents designed to operate completely on their own. These digital workers carry massive responsibilities. They are actively authorized to process financial transactions, make business decisions, and pull data directly from sensitive internal databases. But if an autonomous agent is deployed into a live environment without rigorous vetting, the risks are catastrophic. A single prompt injection attack or a behavioral hallucination can trigger a widespread compliance breach across your entire network. Traditional software follows static, predictable rules. Autonomous AI makes active, dynamic decisions. We would never allow a human employee to handle financial records without a strict vetting process, and we cannot afford to treat digital workers any differently. This is exactly why we built Certify. It is a pre-production certification pipeline designed to act as an unyielding quality gate for your AI. The operational rule here is absolute. No AI agent is allowed to interact with a live business environment unless it successfully passes through every stage of this specific pipeline. By enforcing these strict barriers, we take a technology that is inherently experimental and force it to prove that it is a safe, reliable operational asset. The process begins the moment an enterprise agent, whether it's built on LangGraph, Crew AI, or an NCP framework, is submitted to the pipeline. It first hits the discovery engine. The core philosophy here is simple. You cannot effectively stress test a black box, so the engine acts like an X-ray. It thoroughly maps out the submitted agent's architecture, tools, and connected dependencies. Achieving this state of total architectural visibility creates the required baseline, knowing exactly what the agent can touch before rigorous testing begins. Once fully mapped, the agent is pushed into the gauntlet, where it is hammered simultaneously by 5 parallel testing engines. First is the attack engine. It actively attempts to breach the agent's security, hitting it with malicious prompt injections and role escalation tactics to expose vulnerabilities. At the same time, the reliability engine measures stability by executing the agent thousands of times under heavy load to track output variance. This scatter plot displays thousands of execution outcomes. A single success proves nothing. The engine hunts for rare anomalies that cause failure at scale. Next, the reasoning engine evaluates logic. A correct answer reached through flawed reasoning or hallucinations is still classified as a failure. The compliance engine then steps in, verifying that the agent operates strictly within the legal bounds of industry regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2. Finally, the guardrail engine puts the agent's safety nets under extreme pressure, deliberately attempting to bypass restrictions to ensure those protections actually hold up. Surviving this simultaneous 5-dimensional gauntlet proves the AI agent is structurally sound, legally compliant, and logically consistent under heavy stress. After all 5 engines complete their evaluations, the data is passed to the production gate. This is the ultimate deciding authority, weighing a comprehensive certification score. This dynamic scorecard tracks performance across categories. Clearing the gate requires an overall score above an 85.0 threshold. Hitting this mark earns a certified status for production. Here, an 87.8 approves deployment, but flags a minor issue, requiring a guardrail retest within 30 days. Conversely, any agent falling below the threshold receives a blocked status. Deployment is unequivocally denied, and the agent is sent back for mandatory remediation. This rigid, data-driven scoring system completely removes human guesswork and emotional bias from the enterprise AI deployment process. The core mandate here is absolute. No AI agent should ever enter a live production environment without formal certification. By enforcing this pipeline, an organization drastically lowers its enterprise risk and shields itself from costly legal liabilities. Operating with guaranteed compliance and proven safety mechanisms naturally fosters deep trust among industry stakeholders and end users. Certify replaces unpredictable risks with measured certainty, ensuring your artificial intelligence operates as a perfectly governed, reliable enterprise workforce.